You know, it's funny to think about how we look up at the moon, that glowing orb hanging in the night sky, and we just accept it as part of our world. But have you ever stopped to wonder how it came to be? I mean, really think about it. The moon, our constant companion, has been there for billions of years, watching over us, influencing the tides, guiding travelers, inspiring poets. But its origins? That's a story that's as wild as the cosmos itself. Picture this. Over 4 billion years ago, our planet was a chaotic place, a molten ball of rock and gas still forming, still finding its place in the solar system. The Earth was young, and it was a time of violent collisions where celestial bodies were still jostling for position. Then, out of the chaos, came a massive impact. A Mars-sized planet, often called Theia, barreled into the young Earth. Can you imagine that? The force of that collision was unimaginable, sending debris flying into space, a cloud of dust and rock spiraling around our planet. Now, here's where it gets interesting. All that debris, all that shattered material, began to coalesce, to gather together under the force of gravity. It's like a cosmic dance, pieces of rock and metal swirling around, slowly coming together, forming a new body. And that body, after countless years of spinning and colliding, became the moon. It's a beautiful thought, isn't it? That our moon was born from destruction, from a cataclysmic event that reshaped our world. But it doesn't stop there. The moon's surface, scarred and pockmarked, tells a story of its own. Those craters? They're reminders of the countless meteor impacts it endured over the eons. While Earth has weathered and changed, the moon has remained a silent witness to the history of our solar system. It's like a time capsule, preserving the early days of our cosmic neighborhood. And then there's the gravitational pull. The moon doesn't just sit there, it influences us. It pulls at the oceans, creating tides, rhythms that have guided humanity for centuries. Farmers plant by its cycles, lovers gaze at its glow, and scientists study its surface, searching for clues about our past. The moon is more than just a rock in the sky. It's a part of us, a connection to the universe. So, how was the moon created? From chaos, from collision, from the remnants of a violent birth. It's a story of destruction and creation, a reminder that even in the darkest moments, something beautiful can emerge. And every time we look up at that luminous sphere, we're not just seeing a moon, we're witnessing the echoes of our own beginnings,